All right, let's now start the final step of pre-processing, and this will be feature normalization. Yeah, so that means that we're gonna center the data around the mean of 0, and we're gonna limit our standard deviation to 1. It's good practice in general to do for every project that we will engage in, but for k-nearest neighbors, it's a necessity because we use distance as a measure of similarity. Yeah, so that's why it is important that all the features are within the same range. So let's continue and start this normalization. It's very simple. We're gonna import standard scalar from sklearn preprocessing, and then basically we're gonna fit and transform the training data. Yeah? So fit means we'll do the calculations and then we will transform the data. For X-test, we're gonna do exactly the same, except that we will not fit anymore. Yeah, we will just transform the data. All right, now we're ready to start with applying our k-nearest neighbor classifier. The first thing, however, that we need to do is decide on a value for k. So let's write the following code. Basically, we're gonna import the classifier from sklearn neighbors, and then we're gonna create a matrix that goes from 1 to 29 in steps of 1. And these will basically be all the values of k's that we're gonna evaluate. Yeah, so we create 2 empty arrays here, one to store training accuracy and one to store test accuracy. So I will just let you know how the matrix neighbors looks like. Here we go. You see it's from 1 to 29 in steps to 1. And so let's give k all these values and calculate these 2 parameters here. So now let us start deciding on k, and therefore we're going to create a for loop with an enumerate function. And this will allow us to calculate here train and test accuracy for different values of k. So here you go. We will choose k from 1 to 29, and then we will calculate these scores. So we're actually applying the k-nearest neighbors algorithm already, but mainly to choose k. So let us add code to plot train and test accuracy, and let's run that code. Here we go. So what we see here, and we're mainly interested in the testing accuracy, yeah, in the blue line. Training accuracy is not so important. Yeah, so testing accuracy, we get the highest value for what I would say 26. Yeah, so let's use 26 as the value for k.